You'll find blonde hair actually tends to look almost slightly greenish brown in certain instances. It's probably picking up some of the color outside here as well, so that's something to keep in mind too. So if we can get these areas darker, and then this will really make it pop. Let's just take some raw umber dark and ultramarine blue right here, and let's make a nice dark value that we can pop in right under her ears and close to her neck, because that's where we don't have a lot of light reaching the other areas. And we, add some more raw umber dark here, and yeah, we're just going to blend out of this. And see, when we do that, then it's going to really give us a great sense of realism here, because we have the dark values